right.
account money. Like you'd have to put it down on paper and kind of like determine, okay, is it worth losing the GST on some of this? If it is, for your time, for instance, of what it would take to make that filing, that's certainly your complete 100% choice to decide whether to register or not to register. Um, but if
Oh,
it's
what do you mean by register?
like to register a GST number,
Oh, okay, okay.
yeah.
Oh, yeah,
So
I
for
see. Under
yeah, so
30,000.
for me, I would be making a chart, pros cons, and just kind of determine what things do I spend GST on. Like fuel would be one thing, right? You may have things like paper, computer equipment.
Yeah, I don't have too many expenses. It's mainly
You have
just,
some though,
yeah, some, but it doesn't really add up that
and if it's
much.
not enough, then that's
And then my customers would end up having to pay like an extra 5%, and then
right.
that saves them quite a bit of
Yeah,
money, so they're
yeah,
happy.
yeah. And essentially, if you're under that amount, and just as long as you're not collecting it, then there's no issue. The issue becomes is, and I'm not saying you're doing this, but the issue becomes when people aren't registered and they do collect, and you do see that a lot more than you would imagine. Um, so as long as that's not happening, we're all good.
Oh yeah, actually, I should make sure that because sometimes people ask about it, and I shouldn't say it's. I should just say that I don't charge
You're
because
not
it's under
registered. Yeah,
30,000. Yeah.
yeah, yeah.
Yeah, I
You,
should make sure I'm
it's
clear
not.
about
It's
that.
not a
Yeah.
business. It's not a business. Essentially, what your business is making. You can just tell them that you are not in an obligated position to be registered.
Okay.
Or however you want to politically correctly, state that to
I
somebody.
should double check all my stuff to make sure I don't state anything on it, like that it's included or anything like that. So I should make a note and make sure.
Yeah, because if let's say if you did say it was included on there, if you ever had like a GST individual come out to do a review, they would then back that money out and would probably say that you had it owing. I'm not saying they would, but probability is that that may be the case.
Okay, okay, that's good. That's an important thing then to have on
Yeah,
there.
yeah, and it just keeps you on the safe side, right? So you're not stuck with having a bill that you weren't expecting.
Yep.
And
Okay.
I know, like when I ran a business myself, um, I, this is just me. I'm a very conservative kind of person, and I always wanted to make sure that I almost left some stuff out on my GST in case I ever had a mathematical error. But if somebody ever came in and did a review,
Yeah,
I
that's what
wanted to
I
know
when
my
I do my
record.
income tax. I
Yeah,
usually well, yeah, every year
and then
I'll
you have
just
to
leave
remember what
some
you do.
small receipts out, but I'll still
Exactly.
keep them
Yeah.
just in case,
Yeah, yeah. And
so I
then
can prove
it's
that.
to your benefit because then they'll readjust it in your favor. So that's always a good thing
Like
to
a
do.
bunch of receipts are like maybe 100 or so receipts that are $10 that would
Yeah,
take a bunch of time to add up.
exactly. And they're kind of annoying.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, yeah.
I hear you.
Okay.
Yeah, but they, for instance, if they were ever looking at things, they would include that, and you would get that deducted. So
Yeah, that's a good plan then, eh?
yeah, it's a good plan. It's kind of like a safety savings plan. I know it's maybe a weird way of thinking, but yeah.
Yeah, that's a good
But
plan.
anyway, if you do want to meet sometime in January, I
Well,
think
actually, I'll get your phone number. I never took
sure.
that down yet.
Okay. So my local number here in Saskatoon is
Mhm.
306
Yep.
975, and my first name is Karen. As I said, I work in the Saskatoon office here.
I'll just read the number back here.
Yep.
306.
That is that is correct.
And
Yep.
then you said that, so 45 days from today, if I'm not complete, I should give you a,
Yeah, give me a call.
so let's see, what
And
day
if
would
you
that
do
be?
want to sit down and meet in person at some point, like before then, at that time, whatever the case may
Okay, yeah,
be,
once I go over things in a little more detail, maybe I'll do that.
yeah, we can certainly do that. I'd love to meet you in person and just put the face to the name, like I said. And that's sometimes can be very helpful too along the road down the line for
Yeah,
whatever
for sure.
things that you may come in contact with, because sometimes it's good just to know a few people who can get you the information faster than, say, calling the 1-800 number. So,
Oh, yeah, so then when I called Diane, what did she say there? That you were in, my, you're in charge of the, how does it work? You're the,
I am a field officer, which means I have other officers that kind of work lower positions than me. Not, I because it is local. So,
So is it each year? My file would be assigned to a different.
No, generally if the file is assigned to me once, it will be assigned to me from that point forward
Oh,
each
okay, unless you change
time,
your jobs or something like that.
unless I change my jobs, exactly. So let's say you brought this up to date this year and you were up to date next year, but 2 years from now you became behind, it would come back to me because I would have worked your file prior and I would have had some experience with what you do and what your job entity is and the pressures you're under, for instance, to be able to know how to work with you for the future years. If that
Hmm.
makes any sense, you
Yep.
know what I'm saying?
Yeah, that makes sense.
Because
Continuity.
obviously that saves time, right? If
Yep.
I already have a good idea of what you do and how your industry works, and it's a learning thing every day for me and you, obviously, on how things work. I mean, I don't work in the drafting industry, so for me, it's actually really interesting to be able to meet people and to kind of get an idea of all these fascinating things that people do. It's really quite amazing, some of the things people do, and some of the very ingenuitive ways people have found to make a living.
Yeah, I bet
Which
you.
is it's remarkable, and it's like it's awesome because it's like in some places you probably couldn't do this, but in North America, people are very lucky to be able to, you go to university and you get or SciEst or wherever, and you get some sort of a diploma, and out of that you can turn around and branch into that direction or take it someplace else, but using that information. It's kind of neat to see how people
Have you done many
creative.
people who have just like totally internet-based businesses?
Yeah, yeah,
That'd be
that. Yeah, I have. I've run into lots of people like that.
that'd be a good type of business.
It has its stresses too. Like I've met a couple people who did really, really well doing that, but there is a lot of stress with that as well.
Okay,
Anyway,
so
I
so
think
uh,
I'll let you go
45
on.
days would be around February 10th or so,
Yep,
or
for sure. Yeah,
okay, so
yeah.
if I
Let's
don't,
say mid-February, just to make it easy.
okay, I'll put February 10th here, and then that'll make sure it's in mid-February,
Okay.
February 10th. I'll give you a call back or if it's in the mail on the way, but type of
Yeah,
thing.
if it comes in earlier, just give me a call and let me know it's coming. So what you should do at that point is just you can put it in the blue box in front of our business here in
Oh yeah,
Saskatoon.
right. I actually have put them in there before.
Yeah, and just put attention to Karen Winnipeg, and all that does is it kind
Okay,
of
it'll be quicker
speeds the
that way.
process up. Yeah,
Karen Karen. Oh yeah,
that
my
is
group.
correct.
Yeah, okay.
Yep, perfect.
I think that should be good. I appreciate all your help.
Anytime. That's what we're here for.
You
And
took a
it's
lot of
great
stress off
chatting
of
to
me
you.
that I've been thinking about this lately.
Well, yeah, and that's the thing, and that's you're actually in a position where this is really fixable quickly. There are lots of people who they're behind like a lot of years, and it becomes extremely stressful for them. But I try to work with those people at one step at a time, just like I would do with you, to make sure that they
Yeah,
can not
people must
feel like
get
they're drowning,
start
essentially.
yelling and angry,
Yeah,
and that must be
yeah. No,
stressful for you.
I understand it can be tough. So great.
Well, I mean
Well,
for you too, just to have to deal with
uh, no, actually, I love my job. I love
that.
meeting people, and
You can calm them down and stuff.
no, we don't do that. A lot of people think we're scary. We're not. We're just people, just like you.
Yeah.
So, yeah. Anyway, I'll let you go, and I look forward to your call in the middle of February.
Okay, thanks for your help,
Okay,
Karen.
take care.
Take care.
Bye bye.